Good morning. Bây giờ ơi, hôm nay mình đi đâu đây?
Midway.
Ben, mình đi đâu?
Midway.
And we're up. Hôm nay có rất là nhiều máy bay luôn. Leo ơi, cái màu yellow á là máy bay gì đây? F-18. Leo thích F-18 không?
Yeah.
Cái tên của nó là gì á?
Super Hornet.
Super Hornet, đúng rồi. Ben, what's your favorite? Should we go see more?
I think the two three guns.
Oh, 3 guns?
Yeah, three guns.
Wow.
Only the three guns.
Do it have missile?
Yeah.
Wow.
I think the bomb was down there.
Should we go down and run around and see what's good?
Go.
Let's go. Come on down. Let's go see that one first. Come on, everybody. Come on, Ben. Let's go. All right. Let's see what's inside.
Yes, I can see the windows. I can see Daddy.
Oh, you can see
I
Daddy.
see a big boat.
Big boat.
I see the boat.
Wow. Oh, there's people sitting there.
I can see the people just sitting there.
Ooh, that's the pilot and the co-pilot.
There's two there.
He's so old in there.
There are two people there.
Yeah. How do they breathe? It's so small.
How they breathe?
I don't know.
How they breathe? They're gonna be dead.
It's like there's no air inside. They need some window.
And you cannot go. This is like.
Wow. Leo gonna do something with the airplane. It's so scary. I think something gonna happen if you keep pressing button. Look at the wire. So many wires. Ooh, Ben is also doing some things.
What are you doing?
He wanna be a pilot one day too.
I don't want to be a pilot. I'm scared.
Oh, you scared to be a pilot? What do you want to be?
Oh, look! I can see some. Just the windows here.
Yay, more air coming in. That's awesome.
It's not cool the window.
Yeah, it's a cool window.
But they got rain's gonna be inside.
Oh, yeah. The water's gonna come in.
Yeah, the water's gonna come in.
Okay. This thing is very old. I can see the caution tape. Look like something's broken inside.
I can take one. Hello,
You see the caution tape, the yellow tape?
Look.
Oh, wow. Ben, don't put your face in there. You get stuck. Come on, let's go see another airplane. Wow, we have a very cool 2 pilot right now. They're gonna take over.
Look.
Hi, officer. What's your name?
Hey, look.
Ooh, he even have a mask on. It protect him.
He's doing like a.
Leo, do you have a mask?
No.
Oh no, we don't even have a helmet.
No.
Okay, we got 1 more minute and then we're gonna go to the next one, okay? The next airplane.
Done.
Oh wow, that was quick. Ben, are you done?
We win.
We win! And we're in the next airplane. This is the, what is this one?
It looks like a helicopter.
It looks like a helicopter. It has many buttons. Ben is driving.
Let's fly up.
Hey, remember we see that in the movie Top Gun?
Yeah.
Cool. Wow. How yummy. Leo nó không có ăn nữa, nó ăn cái này. Leo, do you like the chip?
Yeah. I like
You?
this.
Actually eating right next to a huge airplane.
Đẹp không?
That is so cool. What a cool background.
Cool background. What chance did you get that?
Ben, do you like it?
You're gonna be dead.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Leo, can you tell me what this is?
The missile.
What does missile do?
Bắn some airplanes.
Bắn airplane, nó bùng nổ luôn ha.
Là nó bùng. It's like it has a big up there, right here.
Where?
And fire.
Fire underneath.
Fire and it's crashed.
Wow, Leo, that's scary. Hey, you're underneath an airplane. How crazy is that?
Hey, the wheel.
And the big wheel. I don't know what airplane this is.
No,
Leo, don't stand too close. What if it crash on you?
It's not that perfectly. The airplane is stuck.
Stop.
It's tight down.
Let's go find your co-pilot. I don't know where he
He's
is.
living there.
Let's go.
Here we not going.
We're not going there. You're gonna miss out with your brother.
No, I'm gonna go to the talking. Yeah.
Can you do it again? I missed it. Yes. Leo, you want to be air traffic controller?
Yeah, I want to be a guy. Air traffic control is cool.
It's cool. But it's a very stressful job. Do you think you can do it?
No.
Yeah, you can. You just need to study.
Study?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. He's yelling.
I enjoy it.
Oh, no. Welcome back, Captain Leo. How was your trip?
There's inside.
Scary inside. Well, it's okay. You're home safe, Captain.
It's not scary.
Guess what? You're missing your co-pilot. Where's your co-pilot?
Eating.
Where?
He's eating.
And here comes Pilot Leo. Hi. Look at the guy.
The guy is just standing.
He is standing there.
He's talk to us.
He's just looking straight.
Yeah, he is not.
He's looking to this guy. I think this guy is a commander.
The commander.
Look at his cool sunglasses. Wow. And the helmet. Leo like the helmet?
Yeah, I like this helmet.
Yeah. It's a cool one. And he had a map on his knee.
What?
That's silly.
Yes, sweetie.
Wow.
You can go for it. More time.
Okay, you can go. There's nobody. Leo love it every time.
It's gonna be crashed. It's never been crashed.
Wow.
And then this is,
What is that?
I don't know, it's for a missile.
Oh, it's for the missile to hold on to.
It's for, and like,
Wow. What a crazy idea. Where's the big bomb? That's a big one right down there.
it's gonna build a big tank.
A big tank?
Yeah,
Big submarine?
big submarine.
Wow.
I want to go home. I want the house.
Look how cool he is. Woohoo! Can you high five? Awesome. Okay, cheese. Ben, look at mommy. Cheese. All right. Leo is like fighting for his life right now.
Uh-oh, I got the peel.
Wow.
The new thing.
Yes, it is a very scary business here. Meanwhile, Ben is over there just eating his life away. A good banh mi. And Leo is fighting for his country right now. Alright, all done. Next activity.